Using Klarna in-store is simple and lets you split purchases into installments. Here's how to use Klarna in-store. Download the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Log in or create an account by entering your email and basic personal details. Create a one-time card. Inside the app, tap on the In-Store tab. Choose Create a One-Time Card, which generates a virtual card for use in stores. Select the payment option you want. Klarna will pre-approve your spending limit based on a soft credit check. Add the card to your mobile wallet. Once the card is created, you can add it to your mobile wallet for easy use at checkout. You can also see the card details like card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make the purchase. At the store, simply use your mobile wallet to pay at checkout, just like you would with any credit or debit card. Klarna will pay the merchant, and you will make payments to Klarna according to the payment plan you selected. Manage payments. Track and manage your payments in the Klarna app. Klarna will automatically charge your linked bank account or card according to the schedule.